Hello friends, today I want you to guess the topic. I will show you some images and you have to guess what is today's topic. The first images are some people holding their hands together. So, what does it mean? I think you guessed it correct. Now, let's go to the second image. And this is the image of a statue. So I will count 1, 2 and 3 and disclose the name. So 1, 2 and 3 and the topic name is Statue of Unity. Let's discuss some interesting facts about the Statue of Unity. So let's start. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, often referred to as the Iron Man of India. He was a prominent figure in the Indian independence movement and one of the key architects of modern India. Here are some facts about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First, early life. Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Naded, a small town in the present-day state of Gujarat in India. Second, education. He studied law in England and was called to the bar in 1913. Upon his return to India, he began practicing law in the Gujarat. Third, purpose to build the statue. The statue was erected as a tribute to Vallabhbhai Patel, who played a crucial role in the unification of India as the first Deputy Prime Minister and first Minister of Home Affairs after independence. Fourth, the Statue of Unity is a colossal statue located in the Indian state of Gujarat near the Narmada River. It was unveiled on October 31, 2018 and stands as a tribute to Vallabhbhai Patel, one of the key figures in the Indian independence movement. With a height of 182 meters, which is 597 feet, the Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world, surpassing the previous record held by the Spring Temple Buddha in China. The statue was designed by Indian sculptor Ram Visutar, who spent 4 years creating the intricate design and structure. It depicts Vallabhbhai Patel wearing traditional Indian attire, symbolizing his leadership and vision. The construction of the statue took nearly 4 years to complete, involving over 3,400 laborers and 250 engineers. It required approximately 70,000 tons of cement and 18,500 tons of refined steel and 5,700 tons of bronze cladding. The statue is surrounded by the Sardar Sarovar Dam and a 20,000 square meter plaza, which includes an exhibition hall showcasing Patel's life and achievements. The statue has become a popular tourist attraction in India, drawing visitors from all over the world. It offers a viewing gallery at a height of 153 meters, which is 502 feet, that can accommodate up to 200 visitors at a time, providing panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The statue has a symbolic significance, representing the unity and integrity of India. Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India, played a crucial role on the unification of hundreds and princely states to form Republic of India after independence. 13. The statue has received both praise and criticism. Supporters see it as a fitting tribute to a national hero and a symbol of national pride. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you soon.